Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Monitorix is available from the official repository of the distribution, so install it by running the following command. The monitorix services will start. To check it, run the next command. The monitorix configuration recites file which we need to edit, but first it is a good idea to back it up. Now you can do it with the following NANO editor. There are many options you can add, remove, so first of all you need to add the hostname. When you have made all the changes you want, you can open your web browser and go to your IP server or your hostname, the next use the port and the monitorix to see the monitorix interface. Here you can change what you want to see, daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. And when you press the OK button, you will see the next graphs. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.